Here's a sharp Roadster. Take a look at this one. 1928 Ford Model A Roadster, little street rod. As you can see, riding on the artillery style wheels. Center caps and of course wide white radials, finishing out the look. This car is all steel, by the way. The hood is also removable. There are some slides at each corner, front and rear. You can take it off, and if you want to check out the pictures, I did take pictures with it off so you can see the engine bay. I'll let you know where you can see those here in a bit. Engine in this one, 283 Chev powered. That is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Gas fill up here is no longer used. There is a fill in the trunk. And I'll show you something else when we get back there also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that gas fill in the trunk, you can check out the engine bay, see the engine interior undersides of this. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Front disc brakes up front. Aluminum radiator with overflow. This is a nice build. Paint on it, very showable. Interior, also very nice shape. Black vinyl, carpeting good. There is a set of floor mats in the trunk also, and you can check those out in the pictures. Kind of carries over the old style Model A dash with modern gauges. Oil pressure gauge above the steering column, and you do have a quick release steering wheel for ease of getting in and out. Once you're in, you just put the steering wheel back on. Very slick setup. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Double check with your sales associate. There is a year cutoff on that. You want to double check that. Give them a call or email. They will be able to let you know. Now, in the rear here, trunk opens. Right here is a dead man switch where that key is. It's a dead man switch on and off. There's a prop rod that goes with it. And there's your floor mats, extra oil filter, and gas fill. Alright. And again, you can check out the still pictures. I got the trunk propped, hood off. Check out the still pictures so you can see every bit of this car, underside, interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Again, paint. Nice paint job on it. Don't see much for nicks, dings, or scratches, anything like that. This car would be great for shows, cruising in, any of your local cruise-ins. Does have blinkers also. They're on each side of this column mount. Of course, a 5-speed manual. Again, quick release steering wheel. Starting this car right here. If I can get this on here, right here is where the turn ignition is. Now, if you have that dead man switch off and the key out, obviously it's not going to start. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts, how nice that door fits. Great sound of this car. 283 V8 in it. All the power you need for something this size. Nice sounding Delay Roadster. Come up here and give you a little idea in the video here, but again, you can check out this still picture. I'll tell you where to find those one last time. But you see how smooth it runs? Again, you know, this is a nice build. Grill looks good on it. Here's your blinkers down below. How smooth that baby runs. So there you go. You're looking for a nice little street ride. Here it is, 1928 Model A Roadster. Once again, 507-386-1726.